in at the top of this hour. Rohit Vemula's family meets Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy. Rohit's father says it is not appropriate that the investigation is being done on caste. Rohit Vemula is a scheduled caste. It is not the police's job to investigate on caste of a particular individual, is what Rohit Vemula's father has said. Here's what Rohit's mother says. We have met Chief Minister Revant Reddy. She says he is assured of justice and a thorough investigation will be done and facts will be revealed. So this is what the parents of deceased Rohit Vemula have said after their meeting this morning with Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy. So the parents are saying that it is not for the police to investigate what an individual's caste is. The father has asserted that Rohit Vemula was a Dalit. Now this after the police filed a closure report. Telangana police filed a closure report in court which stated that Rohit died by suicide because he was worried and concerned that his true caste identity would be disclosed at some time and it would impact his academic degrees and his future. He was not a Dalit, is what Telangana police has said in its closure report. Now, after the uproar and furor and those images of protest that you see on your screens at the University of Hyderabad yesterday evening, Telangana government has ordered further probe. Telangana DGP, in fact, issued a press note where the police confirmed that they will be, in fact, investigating this matter further. They will be petitioning this before a local court seeking permission to further investigate the case. But they asserted that this closure report was, in fact, finalized before November 2023. So that's during the past BRS regime of Telangana. The Congress government, Revant Reddy's government, took oath of office only in December 2023. The closure report was first filed earlier in the year, and then that was in March in 2024. On the 21st of March 2024, it was filed in a jurisdictional court, and subsequent to that, it was filed in the High Court as well. So the parents now have met with the Chief Minister of Telangana, Revant Reddy, and they've told him that there should be further and proper and thorough investigation. They continue to assert that Rohit was a Dalit and not what the Telangana police's closure report says, that indeed he was not one, and he feared that his true caste identity would be revealed in the course of time, which would then impact his academic degrees and his future, his career ahead. He was a PhD scholar who unfortunately and tragically died by suicide at the University of Hyderabad in 2016. It led to massive protests and outrage in the case against authorities. And at that point of time, several came under the scanner, including the then Secunderabad Member of Parliament, Bandaru Dattatreya, and also then HRD Minister, Human Resource Development Minister Smriti Irani. Let's listen into Rohit Vemula's mother.
Vemula's mother, Madam, అసలు క్లోజర్ రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చినాక మీ అభిప్రాయం ఏంది దీని మీద?
క్లోజర్ రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చినాక మమ్మల్ని చాలా అన్యాయం చేశారనేసి నేను బాగా ఏడ్చాను. నా ఉసురు తప్పకుండా బీజేపీ వాళ్ళకి తగలాలని ఏడ్చుకున్నా. నేను తప్పకుండా తగులదు కూడా. నా పిల్లోడిని చంపి ఈరోజు చచ్చిపోయిన పిల్లోడిని క్యాస్ట్ అది కాదు ఇది కదా అంటమేంటి? అసలు ఆ పిల్లోడు ఎందుకు చనిపోయారని నేను కేసు పెడితే నా పిల్లోడు చనిపోయిన పిల్లోడిని క్యాస్ట్ కదా అంటమేంటి? అసలుకి నేను దళితురాలని కాదా? నాకు పుట్టిన కొడుకు దళితుడు కాదా?
మీరు సీఎం గారితో కలిసినారు, సీఎం ఏం చెప్పారు మీకు?
హామీ ఇచ్చారు, నాకు ఫెయిర్ గా ఎంక్వైరీ చేయించుతానమ్మా అనేసి హామీ ఇచ్చారు. మేము 2018లో జరిగిన ఎంక్వైరీని వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు క్లోజ్ చేసుకున్నారండి. దాన్ని బట్టి అని చెబితే మళ్ళీ ఎంక్వైరీ చేయించుదాం, ఫెయిర్ గా చేయించుదాం అన్నారు. ఆ ఫెయిర్ గా చేయించడం మాకు కావాలండి అని చెప్పి వచ్చాము మేము.
We are joined by Rohit Vemula's brother Raja Vemula. Yesterday, the closure report was out in public, highlighted. What did you feel once you saw the report? What did you understand? When did you get to know about the report in the first place?
Yesterday afternoon only I get to know about this, and immediately we, the students, and started protesting against it. And we have seen that that DGP has reinitiated the investigation, and we are thankful for the government. And we also believe that the Congress government will deliver justice to Rohit Vemula.
No, your politics around this particular suicide case has been again, popped up where the BJP is alleging that Congress government is misguiding the family. Congress government is Rahul Gandhi, particular, is misguiding the family.
That is not true. They are misguiding the whole country. That is not true.
So at this moment, when the elections are nearing, this issue coming up like this, how do you see this?
See, this was kept under since in the March. It's been the petition is filed in the March itself. Nobody knows till now. So there is a propaganda showing that to create a political glitch and all. They are doing right things. Yeah.
So what is the fact? What do you see is the fact here? You say the caste is not the fact, that the closure report is not the fact. The facts are not in this closure report. What is the fact that you see?
Is police competent authority to give caste status to us? No. The Guntur district collector, where we are native place, those are the competent authority to give a caste status or whether we are SC or not.
Inquiry was done is what they say.
But inquiry was not done. That was still under scrutiny. Okay. The final report has not come out.
So what do you demand now? So the caste, which caste do your family like Rohit Vemula belong?
Our demand is not about the caste. Our demand is to file a
Rohit Vemula belong to
SC community. Yes, we are SC community, SC Mala community. And our main demand is to give a justice to Rohit Vemula, and all the culprits should be behind the bars.
So what the politicizing of this issue is not true is what you mean to say? They've also said that Rahul Gandhi must apologize to the whole nation and the students for misguiding them during this suicide case.
No, see, the Congress party, since starting of Rohit Vemula's movement, they are with us, and they are the only one who are helping us.
So that is what the family of Rohit Vemula has to say after their meeting this morning with Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy.